Hello each and everyone. Today we are going to study about the power quality analyzer, how we can use the power quality analyzer for the three phase as well as the single phase. As you can see, we have the power quality analyzer of the Fluke company of the series 435A. Uh, as you can see, we have the voltage probe. We can connect the voltage probes and the current probes here. We can connect the voltage probes here in this L1, L2, L3 and neutral. For current probes, we can connect it first one, second one, third one and neutral. Now first of all, we have to switch this on, this power quality analyzer. We can switch this on, either we can give the supply from AC or this can also run on the battery. As we have inserted the battery in this, so we can run this without giving the AC supply. Right now this is the switch on button. You can see if I will press this power quality analyzer will switch on. You can see here date is correct, time, configuration, frequency, everything is given here. And here is the configuration. This is very important. As right now we have connected the single phase configuration. If we have to change the configuration to the three phase, how we will do that? We have to press on the setup that is given here. We'll press on the setup. You can see here. Then you can see here user preference, version and calibration. You can see the manual setup. We have to connect on manual setup, that is F4. And now we can see the configuration. So we have to, for the configuration, this is on the single phase that is given here. Now if we have to change three phase, we will press the enter. You can see we have got the different configuration: single phase neutral, single phase split phase, three phase star, three phase delta. Also on page 2 you can see there are different configurations. On page 3 there are different configurations. We'll go again on page 1 and we will select the three phase star configuration. We will select this and we will press the enter. Now when we press the enter, that means this configuration now we have selected, and we will go back again. You can see here we have changed the configuration. That is now the three phase star. As you can see, I have connected the three phase star connection here, configuration. I will now select OK. You can see F5 button. Now we can check the voltage, ampere and different parameters that is given here, dips, harmonics. We will see one by one each parameter. First we will see the voltage. So what we have to do, we have to select OK here, F5 button on OK. Now the SD card is selecting so that it can save. You can see now here this is the phase voltage. You can see 230 volts, R phase, Y phase and B phase. Also you can see the delta line voltage. You can see that is almost 400 volts. There is some unbalance of some little current is flowing there. You can see the frequency is 50 hertz. If I will select the scope here, you can see the yellow button. Now you can see the three phases R, Y and B. They are 120-degree apart. You can see it here. Also you can see here the three phases. They are 120-degree apart, R, Y and B. You can see the phase voltage of the three phases. Also you can see the frequency here. Now if we have to go back and see another parameter, we will select here back button and again press this, and you can see if we have to save this, then we have to select the F4 button. Now we have to go back, so we will select F1, discard exit, F1 button. So what happens now, we are going again back. Now we will see the dips and swell, the second parameter. We will press here again. Now we will select this, enter. You can see you can see this dips and swells here. Now again we will start this button, discard. The third parameter is harmonics. Press this one, harmonics. Now select OK. See, you can see now the harmonics, how much harmonics are present in this. That is here. You can see that is almost 6% harmonics are here, THD. So this is of the voltage, also of the current and also of the power. You can check it here. This is the meter as well. This is the harmonic graph. Now we'll go back. We'll press this button, discard exit. And now this parameter, energy loss calculator. We will press this, enter. You can see this, the effective, the reactive, the unbalance. You can see how much is the unbalance here. You can see the distortion. You can see how much is the neutral current. You can see the line losses. You can analyze this. You can see here how much are the line losses, source loss, effective power, different parameters you can check. Whatever parameter you want to check, you can check it here. So again we will go back, press F5 button, discard this F1 button. Now we will check the power inverter efficiency. We'll go down and okay, you can see power inverter. Okay. Now again we'll press this button, discard exit. You can see now the unbalance. It's a very important parameter. I will enter this. Okay. Now we can see the unbalance. You can see how much is the unbalance here. Again discard exit. So we'll see another parameter now. Now in rush current we want to see. Select this. Duration we will see for the 1 minute. Start. We'll wait for the 1 minute and we'll see. So we'll go now the back. This is the inrush current. Now again this button, F5 button. Now F1 button. Now we'll monitor things. You can see here. Okay. Duration for 1 day we can check it for the one monitor the things. How much time we want to monitor it? 1 day or 1 week or 1 day, whatever you can see. Again we'll start this. Now we don't want to check, so we'll go back. Again we'll discard this. You can see. Now we have to go on page second. We have seen all these parameters. Now we'll see on the page second parameter. You can see select the flicker. Okay, you can check it here. Now we'll see another parameter. Transients is very important parameter. Transients, how much are the transients? You can see how much are the transients here. You can see, you can analyze those. Now we'll see the another parameter. Power wave. You can see the wave is coming. So this will come. We'll select. Now we'll see the another parameter. The main signaling. This one. You can check it here. Thank you very much.